What is ISO 13485? When you first introduce medical devices to the market, you will inevitably face this question. ISO 13485 is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization ISO specifically for the quality management system of medical devices. It outlines the requirements for a quality management system that organizations involved in the design, development, production, and servicing of medical devices need to follow. ISO 13485 customizes and supplements the specific requirements of the medical device industry. Based on ISO 9001, it provides a framework through which medical device manufacturers can demonstrate their ability to consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements. ISO 13485 certification is of great significance for medical device manufacturers. It signifies a company's dedication to producing medical devices that are safe and effective. Additionally, this certification helps ensure compliance with regulatory requirements in global markets, thereby enhancing the international reputation and credibility of certified companies. Moreover, ISO 13485 certification is globally recognized, symbolizing a significant advancement towards selling medical devices in any country or region. Elecrow, with the ISO 13485-2016 certification, emerges as the preferred choice in the medical device industry. Elecrow's commitment to dependable medical solutions fosters confidence among clients and partners alike. The dedication to the highest standards is evident in Elecrow's elevated manufacturing proficiency, heightened yield rate, enhanced pre-production quality control, and reduced lead times for orders. Elecrow is launching an exclusive medical device manufacturing campaign on January 2, 2024. Join Elecrow in celebration and enjoy generous discounts. Stay tuned, and we'll give you more details.